To create a mail list in Mailchimp, start by opening the Mailchimp website and navigating to the Audience option. From there, click on the Add Your Context option. This will take you to a screen where you can import contacts from another service. Upload a CSV or text file, or copy and paste your contacts. Choose the desired method, then click the Continue button. If copying and pasting contacts, enter them in the input box and click the Continue to Organize button. Next, select your current audience and click Continue to Tag. You can add tags if desired, or proceed to the next step by clicking Continue to Match. On the following screen, enter the names of the fields you are using, such as email address, and select the corresponding options from the drop-down menu. Confirm your selections. Then repeat this process for all fields. After completing this step, click Continue to Subscribe, followed by Finalize Import and Complete Import. Finally, click View Contacts to see your newly created mail list.